Welcome viewers, introduce myself. My name is Bayu Kartiko. Today I will bring you your topic of case fair of news Armenia and Azerbaijan. Just let's start the topic for the first time. Quoted from CNNindonesia.com, Russian peacekeepers deployed to Nagorno-Karabakh on Tuesday, 10 November 2020, after Armenia and Azerbaijan agreed to cease fire to end fair fighting over the past week. Russian force consisting of 1,960 military personnel and 90 armored personnel carriers will be deployed to the region as peacekeeper for the 5-year mission. The control of the ceasefire and the cessation of military action in Nagorno-Karabakh conflict zone. The Academy of Russian peacekeepers is being deployed consisting of 1,960 soldiers, 90 armored vehicles, 380 units of special vehicles, and equipment. The Russian Defense Ministry on Tuesday said 10 Il-76 aircraft carrying the first draft of peacekeepers, along with their equipment, had taken off from airfield unit of Russia. Azerbaijan President Ilham Aliyev said his main ally Turkey would also be involved peacekeeping efforts, both as mentioned in the argument. Armenian Ministry of Defense spokesman Wisnan Spasian tweeted on Twitter at 6 a.m. local time, Karabakh was its constitution and combat operations across the front line has been suspended. The peace deal imposed a ceasefire at 1 a.m. local time was brokered by Moscow. Armenia Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan, Azerbaijan President Ilham Aliyev, and Russian President Vladimir Putin announced the deal early Tuesday. Report by FAP, Pashinyan described the deal as something very valuable for himself and his people, while Aliyev called a form of surrender. The full text of deal was released a few hours later, showed clear advance of Azerbaijan. Azerbaijani forces will retain control of areas captured in the battle, including the main city of Shusha. Armenian meanwhile agreed to timetable withdrawing from most Karabakh territory. Meanwhile, viewers, Turkey military is overseeing the Nagorno-Karabakh ceasefire along with the Russians. Quoted from CNNindonesia.com, President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, Turkey and Russia will jointly oversee a ceasefire deal between Azerbaijan and Armenia over the conflict in Nagorno-Karabakh. The Turkey leader office said Erdogan discussed the establishment of a joint center in a telephone conversation with Russian President Vladimir Putin on Tuesday, November. President Erdogan said Turkey will engage in joint surveillance and monitoring with Russia through a joint center at a location designed by Azerbaijan in territory rescued from Armenian occupation, the Turkish President office said. Testing AFP, Turkey and Russia this week signed a 9-point deal of the end the war took place between Azerbaijan and Armenia. But the deal is not include the establishment of a joint center. The terms of deal states Russia will send 1,960 military personnel and 90 armored personnel carriers as peacekeepers of monitor the ceasefire on the ground. The Russian Defense Ministry on Tuesday said 10 Il-76 aircraft carrying the first draft of peacekeepers, along with their equipment, had taken off from airfield unit of Russia. Erdogan, on the other hand, did not mention the possibility they are sending military forces in Nagorno-Karabakh as a dispersed region in Azerbaijan. Armenian Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan said if hanging on the deal called very painful for him. Thank you for watching today's news topic. Tomorrow I will back again with other hot news topic. Bye.